101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Good evening, smart listener. Welcome back again to Smart Up Your Life, our English program discussion with me, Adelia Nabila, as a host today. And also, I have several friends in here from BPEC. Hi. Okay, please take your mic. On your mic. Okay. Pleasure. How are you today? Hey, hi. Okay. Because this is collaboration with Smart FM Makassar, please tell us with smart listener, what is BPEC? Okay, I want to hear from Sister Tenri.
Okay, thank you very much. So, BPEC is the oldest community of English in Makassar, and also that learn about English and debates with certain topic. And also BPEC has a popular program.
Okay.
Is Lovely Sunday Meeting. Lovely Sunday Meeting is conduct every Sunday, start from 10 until 2 p.m. at Benteng Rotterdam Building J. So in BPEC also has several programs. The first programs, when you come there, the first program is Who Am I? If you are to be new participants there, you must introduce yourself to the others. And the second items, it's ice breaking. So it's like games increasing your focus before we move to the next item is discussion and debate with certain topic. And after that, we also has building skill.
Okay.
Increase your grammar skill or like a common mistake also. And after that, we all has entertainment sections. You can artist there. Yeah, and the last is announcements. If you are the representative from your organization, you can share your information to the all of the participants there. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you for Sister Tenri. Okay, the topic today talking about social media enthusiast. Okay, for smart listener want to join tonight, just WhatsApp on 0811 or just comment on YouTube channel Smart FM Makassar. Okay, back to topic today about social media enthusiastic. Okay. But first, I want to introduce yourself, you one by one. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, start from you, sister.
Hello everyone, I am Tenri and I'm committee in BPEC. So next.
Hi, sister Tenri. The next one.
Hi, smart listener. My name is Andi Nur Inayatul Aini. You can call me Aini. I'm also the committee of BPEC.
Wow. Hi. Okay. The right side, right? Okay.
Okay, hello everyone. The first, I introduce myself. My name is Agung Winardi. You can call me Agung. I'm from in Bulukumba and I'm also in commit. Thanks.
Okay. Hi, brother Agung. Okay.
So good evening, everyone. My name is Reinhard Tekla, but you can call me Tekla, and I'm from Makassar. Thank you.
Okay. Hi, brother Tekla.
Hi.
Okay. Talk about social media enthusiastic. Okay. Because now we live in millennial era in all about technology, so we cannot far away from technology. If we study, working, technology close to our. Okay, I want to ask you one by one about social media enthusiastic. Okay, I want to start from Sister Tenri. Okay, for you, what is social media enthusiastic? or how you define it about social media enthusiastic?
Okay, yeah, it's the first topic that I know. It's there is social media enthusiast. So I want divide. Divide one by one what is social media enthusiast. Social is social, easy to talk with the others, and media is tools for communicating.
Yes.
And the last is enthusiast, is
Yes.
fan, or addicted, and also you can say that lover. Yeah, and to be one social media enthusiast, my own definition is the people who cannot live with their phone, were addicted with about social media. Yeah, we are directly get our some information in our explore, and directly we scroll of the information, and it's addicted for us. Yeah.
Okay, that's a good opinion.
Yes,
Okay,
thank
back
you.
to Sister Aini. Again, same question for you. What is social media enthusiastic for you, or how you define it?
Okay, when we are talking about social media enthusiastic, right?
Yes.
It's kind of people that are actually always up to date.
Okay.
On all of, the new issue, for example, they coming from the social media. For example, many think that actually going to be famous at the time. So it's kind of people that actually always up to date in the information that coming from the social media.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's a good opinion. Okay, back to again with okay, how can I call you?
Okay, Agung.
Agung, brother Agung. Okay, same question for you. What is social media enthusiastic for you, or how
Okay,
you define it this?
Okay, the first social media is a platform, digital, which use someone for search information, get information for social media. For example, is application WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram is the what is a lot of application for get information, and then I believe social media in application that can will bring people to approve in the world the next. Thanks.
Okay, thank you. Okay, okay, for you, brother Tekla, about social media enthusiastic, how you define it?
Okay, so how I define it is actually simple. It's basically a person who cannot be separated from social media, and
Yes.
I think I've heard you guys your opinion, and I can simplify that. The social media enthusiast is just the person who cannot be separated from their social media. That's it. Okay, thank you.
Okay, good question. Good answer for you. Okay, yeah, in technology era, we cannot lepas ya, you cannot say that dari social media enthusiastic. Every people need that. Start from study, working, yeah. So that's why people really enthusiastic for social media now, for also content, yes, and also have many useful for millennial era now. Okay, the next question. Okay, okay, back to again with sister in here. Okay, back to again with Sister Tenri. Okay. Okay, Sister Tenri, are you social media enthusiastic or an addict, or not about? Could you explain it?
Actually, in the past, I'm social media enthusiast, but now because something happened, I minimize my consumption about social media because yeah, it's make me look their look the people life, and it's different when I compare with myself. So it's make our mental health is not good actually. So yeah, just minimize our social media. Yeah, actually that.
Okay. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, we have to minimize that because have also positive and negative impact. That's good. Okay. Back to you again with Sister Amy.
Yes.
Okay. Are you social media enthusiastic or an addict? Okay. How can you explain it, or how many you spend your time with this?
Yeah, how many times I spend my time for social media. Actually, yeah, talking about social media, we actually cannot be separated with the social media, right?
Yes.
Now, many things that actually can be changed by the digital era, right? Sometimes we actually coming from the different overseas, but because the social media, we actually can feel closer. Something that actually make us more be how to say individually can be more closer with people, but sometimes it actually can also make us far away with people around us. I think how many times that I can spend my time is actually coming from my managing time, right? If you ask me that am I one of social media enthusiastic, I don't think so. I really kind of person that be like that because I have sometimes to up my or open my social media. For example, when I need to do that, for example, the WhatsApp, but the Instagram maybe sometimes, not really that often, because I think the social media enthusiastic is kind of person that actually like admin, for example,
Okay.
making content
Yes.
for the social
Yes,
media,
of course.
something that actually they think that this content have to be more famous, for example, so I have to looking for something that actually make my content more be eligible to be seen for others. So that's kind of person that actually enthusiastic with the social media, looking for something always fresh or something actually can be attractive to others.
Yes.
Yeah, but I'm not kind of admin for social media.
Okay. Yes, is really important about how can you manage your time for social media. Yes. Okay. Back to you again with brother in here again. Okay. Talk about social media enthusiastic. Yes. So many impact, and how can you manage your time also? Okay. For social media enthusiastic for you, are you social media enthusiastic or an addict, or how many time you in screen you spend all day?
Okay, the first I am include in social media enthusiastic because social media is very important for me because I am work in the social media. I am is sell my product in the social media,
Yes.
and I can get in buyer in the social media, and then social media have benefits, a lot of benefits for many people because the first social media the other people's can get information. Social media can make someone is funny because social media have watching is if for example-nya is Facebook have watching and the fun and the comedian is very important for me. Thanks.
Okay, yes. Social media also have a positive impact for sell. Okay, like for sell product and for content. Yes. Okay. Back to again with Brother Tekla. Okay. Are you a social media enthusiastic or an addict?
Well, so if you ask me, am I a social media enthusiast? Well, of course I am, because I probably spent at least 2 or 4 hours.
Wow, 4
every day,
hours?
every day
Wow.
on social media. Yeah, because social media is a place for me to escape from the reality, you know. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So that's why I would call myself a social media addict or enthusiast. Thank you.
Yeah, sometimes many people more famous in social media because maybe they shy person or introvert person, so maybe they feel good if they spend their time in on screen or in social media enthusiastic. Wow, 4 hours. Wow, good. Really enthusiastic for social media. Okay, for smart listener, don't go anywhere. We back again our discussion later.